is the Taste of Tracey Road. It's our annual open house that we do.
We've been doing this for about a decade, and it's a great opportunity for customers to come out and see what we have to offer here at Tracey Road.
I haven't been to this event before, so I've heard other companies talk about it, and I just want to see what it's all about.
So I think it's just great to see everyone having a good time on a Thursday, you know?
Lets people know what Tracey Road Equipment's all about.
And I go to all these places to see all these open houses, and nobody does something like this. I said, it's Tracey Road Equipment. We're either full throttle or we're parked. And we don't do anything small, so this is what you get for Tracey Road Equipment.
We're expecting between 800 and 1,000 attendees at this event today, and it's a great opportunity for all of our vendors to be able to show their products and support to potential customers.
Tracey's a good company and has so many lines, you can really see a lot of things all in one place.
We buy all of our trucks from Tracey. They take great care of us here.
It sums it up when they do what they say they're going to do, and they've never let us down.
We're an anomaly here because we're also not only an equipment dealer with major brands, but we're also an over-the-road truck dealer. So there's no other dealer in upstate New York that does what Tracey does.
I love for myself and my staff to put faces, to the names, the companies that we work with, and the individual products that we use through the Tracey Group.
It's just a great networking event. You meet a bunch of good guys that also work with Tracey Road, and they have similar mindsets like you do. We bought our first excavator from them, and then in 2015, we haven't bought another piece of anything from anybody else.
We have a great relationship business, and we want to show appreciation for our customers and our manufacturers that we represent. And it's just a great get-together, and we just enjoy having a good time and showing what we're about.
Tracey Road, Jerry and Scott Collins, and they've been great with us, and we appreciate them putting on the event, and we look forward to coming here again in the future.